Y'all know, man, I went ahead and replaced, I don't know what I was gonna say, but I lost my train of thought. I'm getting tired of doing it. I hate doing that, but it is what it is. Y'all know I replaced the one on the driver door, and I also put a new window switch on here. You feel me? We did this a long time ago. This one is a little messed up. You feel me? The wood ain't sticking to the little back piece, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's up there. Now this side, I did not replace the window switch because, you feel me, wasn't nothing wrong with it. This one I think was broken. Honestly, I don't remember. You feel me? Just the wood grain is a little different, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I think they just print these, you know what I'm saying? Because this ain't real wood. So I think they just print them or something. But yeah, actually I'm gonna put it upside down like that. But yeah, this goes, like I said, on the passenger door. As y'all can see, it's just for one. The driver door has two. And like I said, got it off eBay. And this product, honestly, I don't remember. I think it's like $40, which is kind of crazy, but you feel me? It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I needed it. So I'm gonna try to get up close. So y'all, this is the OEM one. The one that's been in this car forever, you know what I'm saying? The wood grain is faded. So I went ahead and got a new one. And like I said, I'm gonna go side by side once I get over there. But yeah, y'all can clearly see the difference, bro. Clearly. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now y'all see the title, man. I finally got my wood grain trim that goes to the passenger door. It finally came in, you know what I'm saying? So basically, y'all know, man, I went ahead and replaced, I don't know what I was gonna say, but I lost my train of thought. I'm getting tired of doing it. I hate doing that, but it is what it is. Y'all know I replaced the one on the driver door, and I also put a new window switch on here. You feel me? We did this a long time ago. This one is a little messed up. You feel me? The wood ain't sticking to the little back piece, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's up there. Now this side, I did not replace the window switch because, you feel me, wasn't nothing wrong with it. This one I think was broken. Honestly, I don't remember. But yeah, like I said, I don't remember. Maybe this one was good and I replaced it thinking that was the problem, why the windows wouldn't go up and down. Like I said, I don't remember at all. I really don't. But I know this one works for sure because I tried it out when I pulled the car out of this tent, and I rolled the window down after I did my window motor swaps. You feel me? Put new window motors in. So yeah, that's how I know that one worked. So I'm pretty sure the one that was in here worked as well. But like I said, I replaced it thinking that was the that was gonna fix why the windows were not going down. But yeah, it was just the tracks needed greasing and all that type of stuff. But yeah, y'all see that wood grain there, bro? We finna replace. I'm gonna give y'all up close shot, show you how it look and everything once I get on that side. But right now I'm not on that side. You feel me? I'm on the driver's side. So yeah, I got the new wood grain, and if y'all wonder, like I said, I don't have no part number, ain't no part number, nothing. But I did order this off eBay, and if y'all don't know, eBay basically have like private sellers. You know what I'm saying? That's all it really is. It's people selling their stuff, and on eBay, it's kind of like Facebook Market, but it's online. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's basically all eBay is. So the people that was selling this, or the company that was selling this wood grain trim, was gbodyparts.com. Y'all know I've ordered from them a lot for this car. So I think that's where I got my dash from, was gbodyparts.com. You know what I'm saying? I think, like I said, I'm not 100% for certain, but yeah, that's why I went ahead and just went through eBay. You know what I'm saying? Well, I could have went through gbodyparts.com, but yeah, I trust eBay more. Even though I've ordered from this site before, it's just I've ordered so much from eBay, bro, and eBay got the money back guaranteed. So that's just what I've been doing lately. I've just been ordering everything through eBay and Amazon, just about. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, got this part from gbodyparts.com, was the private seller, but I got it on eBay. And here go the wood grain. It looks fantastic, bro. It looks brand spanking new, because it is. It's not used or anything. It's a remanufactured product. You know what I'm saying? It's brand spanking new. So we finna go ahead and install it in the car. Like I said, just put it side by side to the new one of the driver door. Matches perfectly. You feel me? Just the wood grain is a little different, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I think they just print these, you know what I'm saying? Because this ain't real wood. So I think they just print them or something. But yeah, actually I'm gonna put it upside down like that. But yeah, this goes, like I said, on the passenger door. As y'all can see, it's just for one. The driver door has two. And like I said, got it off eBay. And this product, honestly, I don't remember. I think it's like $40. Which is kind of crazy, but you feel me? It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I needed it. So I'm gonna try to get up close. So y'all, this is the OEM one. The one that's been in this car forever, you know what I'm saying? The wood grain is faded. So I went ahead and got a new one. And like I said, I'm gonna go side by side once I get over there. But yeah, y'all can clearly see the difference, bro. Clearly. clearly see that difference, bro. This one is faded really bad, and this the brand new one. I still gotta order the wood grain pieces that go here, but these pieces cost more than this, you know what I'm saying? This one got more going on. This is just one little piece, ain't no holes or nothing for it. But this one got holes and everything. This one is cheaper than getting one of these, and I gotta get 4. You know what I'm saying? I think it's like, actually, yeah, because I think they sell like 2 packs for like $40. So I'm basically finna spend $100 on the little trims that go here, which is crazy. But I gotta get it because I don't have any. You know what I'm saying? I don't have none, so I have to get it. I'm gonna be getting it sometime soon. I'm not in a rush to get them right now because literally they just stick straight on, I'm pretty sure, and then to pull them off, I think I'm gonna have to pull them off to be able to get to them screws, because them screws are gonna have to come out for me to rewrap, or actually to wrap. You know what I'm saying? I can't rewrap it because ain't no wrap on there now, but for me to wrap the door panel, I'm gonna have to take that piece off. So yeah, I'm gonna end up getting some soon, but like I said, I'm not in a rush right now to get any. And yeah, got the part from gbodyparts.com. was the company selling it through eBay. I ordered mine through eBay. So yeah, man, kind of restoring this car, y'all know that. Kind of restoring it, but also customizing it at the same time, because it was already customized. If it had OEM interior like my box Chevy, I wouldn't done nothing to it, but probably added like stuff to the center console, changed the radio, that little stuff like that. You feel me? Like I said, like with my box Chevy. But since this car was already customized, I'm re-customizing it and changing the color. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? We finna go ahead and install this. I'm probably finna change them screws out and put in some nice looking screws like I have over here, instead of them rusted screws over there. But like I said, once I get over there, I'm gonna show y'all more up close and how everything is. This should be really easy, bro. It's 2 screws and putting them back in, and that's it. So I just gotta find 2 screws to use. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Roll to 5,000 subscribers, so y'all hit that subscribe button, share the channel, do whatever you can to help me reach that goal. Other than that, though, I'll catch y'all once I get to that side of the car. Hope y'all enjoy, and yeah, man, we're gonna keep moving forward. Alright, y'all, so like I said, man, this should be really quick, really easy, bro. It's literally 2 screws that should come off, put the new one on, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? So I set my radio up there, and bro, I'm just basically getting a little visual how it's gonna look. And like I said, man, I forgot I still gotta get that off. Yeah, I'm not too worried about it right now. But yeah, man, the radio, bro, it looks fire, bro. I can't wait to see the Apple CarPlay on there in this 87 cut dog, you know what I'm saying? But this is it, bro. Y'all see the rusted screws. We're gonna take these out. We're not reusing these. And this is the old wood grain. It's the old one. Like I said, we still gotta get the pieces that go here, which I will be getting relatively soon, you know what I'm saying? Not in a rush, but yeah, I will be getting it relatively soon. And yeah, here go the new piece will be going on, and that's how we're gonna look, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, basically matching the driver's door. New wood grain, shiny, looks nice, you know what I'm saying? The car is protected by the car cover and the tent, so the sun ain't gonna damage this. And whenever I lost my train of thought again. I'm telling y'all, bro, I don't know what's going on, but I be doing that too much now. And we still need to vacuum the floors and all that good stuff, so that should be coming soon, hopefully. But yeah, this is it, bro. Like I said, this is all we're gonna do. Pull out them 2 rusted screws. I have 2 brand new screws, literally brand spanking new. 2 brand new screws we're gonna be putting in, and yeah, that's literally all, you know what I'm saying? That's literally it. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the old one, and then going to the new one. Well, actually, let me turn it this way. How y'all feel about it? Don't matter which way you turn it, because it's literally the same part. They don't have no up or right or up and down signal. So yep, that's how it's gonna be. And y'all can see it got the 1 hole for the passenger, and then the driver's side got 2. So yeah, y'all know I ordered the driver, like I said, ordered the driver's side a really long time ago, and it don't match the middle wood grain, which I didn't think it would, but it's fine. At least we got wood grain everywhere, don't matter how it look. So excuse me, like I said, ordered the driver's side pretty long time ago, you know what I'm saying? So honestly, I don't remember when. I just remember that it was when I first started working on this car, you know what I'm saying? Let's see, is that a good angle? No, not at all. Let's see, is this a good angle? Kind of. Yeah, kind of. Let's see if I can pull it. Y'all was falling. probably the best I can get. But yeah, I don't have my other screwdrivers in my charger, and I don't feel like getting inside the charger, but good. These screws are coming out really easily. That's what I was hoping for. First screw out. Let me just sit it on the ground for now. And then get this piece. Just screw up out of there. And like I said, I don't remember which way is for the window to go up and down with this switch. So yeah, it's just, I forgot it's more than 2 screws, it's 4 screws. I'm gonna have to get the switch off and put the switch on the back of this new panel in them holes there. So yeah, I think the passenger side was missing it entirely, so that's why the driver's side was missing it entirely, so that's why I went ahead and replaced the passenger side. But yeah, like I said, I don't remember which way is up and down for this switch, so yeah, we just gonna have to just guess for now. You know what I'm saying? So I don't remember if I replaced these screws back here or what, bro. Like I said, I don't remember nothing. I done forgot, bro. It's kind of crazy. Alright, that was that one. This bottom one. Man, honestly, I'm just gonna pull this out. Come on. That's why I hate not having my flathead. I don't know where my flathead is. There we go. Alright. Turn y'all down here. Actually, I'm gonna turn y'all a little bit more. See if that's good. There we go. Let's go ahead, get this screw up out. There we go. Get both of these screws out of my way. And there, let's go ahead and put these screws on up in here. Like I said, I don't remember if I replaced this hardware or not. I don't know. But these screws do not look old, so maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Like I said, honestly, I don't remember. Put this bottom screw up in here. And then we can plug this back up and put this on back in the car. Trying to be careful too, because I don't want to break this. So that's why I'm not trying to go overly tight, but also don't want it too loose to where the button is shaking. But yeah, got that on up in there. Now we have a new wood grain. So out with the old, in with the new. It's a big difference, bro. It's obvious which one people would choose, you know what I'm saying? The new one over this old one. This old one is faded, crusty, and all that type of stuff. And the new one is nice, glossy, and the wood looks nice and brown, you know what I'm saying? Instead of this like mustard color, you feel me? So it's pretty obvious. So let's go ahead and put this one back in here. Go ahead, put this one back on up in here. Now hopefully I got the button right to where all I have to do is just put it in here. But if I don't, like I said, we just come back and we just flip it, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, hopefully it's right. And bro, that looks fantastic. Let me get my screws. Get one screw started. Got one screw started. And then get the other one started and then tighten them on down. Well, y'all can't even see. I done showed it thinking y'all could see. And y'all can't, bro. My bad. That's on me. There we go. I done did all that thinking y'all could see and y'all couldn't even see. But yeah, let's go ahead. tighten these down. And just like it, we have new wood grain on this side. Brand new wood grain. Y'all let me know what y'all think. My bad about the shaking. I was trying to adjust my tripod. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. New hardware, new wood grain. The button's not new, but the button is perfectly fine. You know what I'm saying? It functions. And then y'all know the last video we went ahead and replaced the door locks. Looks fantastic, bro. I'm telling you, everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. So, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about it. Once again, out with the old, in with the new. Fantastic. New hardware, like I said, new screws. Went from these crusty screws to that new screw. So, yep. Like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, though. How y'all feel about it, bro. Because y'all know I like to hear y'all opinions. Even though a lot of y'all don't like to comment, I still like to hear y'all opinions, though. You know what I'm saying? So, I appreciate y'all. Those of y'all that do comment, I appreciate it. You feel me? I really do. But yeah, new wood grain. So now we matching with the driver's side. Driver's side, new wood grain for the window switches. Passenger side, new wood grain. So I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. So man, to be honest with y'all, those of y'all that is kind of afraid to go ahead and build your own car, man, I say go for it, bro. I'm telling you, I'm having so much fun doing this stuff, bro. Even it's the little things, you know what I'm saying? I enjoyed putting this new wood grain in, just seeing the new wood grain in this car, bro. I really enjoyed it. So like I said, man, it's the little things that really gets me excited. You feel me? So if y'all contemplating about building y'all cars, here's your sign. I can say this is your sign. Go ahead and do it, bro. Just try it. You feel me? Like I said, I'm really enjoying building my cars, all of my cars. You feel me? Not just this one, the box Chevy, the Charger. I'm looking for a Monte Carlo, so basically get y'all a hint for my next car I'm trying to get. I want me a Monte Carlo, unless I get me like a newer car, you know what I'm saying? But the Monte Carlo is the next old school I want to get. I want to get a Regal, but I want a Grand National Regal. I can't afford one of those right now, so I'm not getting a Regal until I can get me a Grand National. But I want a Monte Carlo. I'm probably gonna build it and then sell it. Honestly, I don't know if I want to keep the Monte Carlo, but I do want to build me a Monte Carlo, bro. Just say I did it, you know what I'm saying? And say I had one. But yeah, man, like I said, new wood grain in, man. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, bro. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Like I said, 4 screws. Forgot it was 2 screws on the back that held on the window switch, but yeah, 4 screws, bro. So like I said, it's not hard. It's not hard at all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. If y'all needed to learn something, I hope y'all learned something. Like I said, I hope y'all like the new wood grain. Just gotta get them last 2 pieces of wood grain. Like I said, I'm not in a rush for them because I can't put them really on until I get the door wrapped, or until I wrap the door. Then I can actually put them on, because ain't no hole for me to be able to pull my screw back out with the wood grain that go here. So yeah, I'm not in a rush to get them. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell on. That way, as soon as I drop a video, y'all get that notification saying that I dropped, and y'all can come back out with me for that video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Road to 5,000 subscribers. So y'all share the channel, share the video, subscribe, do whatever you can to help me reach that goal. Comment down below how y'all feel about the new wood grain, the new screws. You feel me? Just do it. You feel me? Just comment down below. Other than that, though, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.